Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a photo using Apple's Preview app. Now, while it's true that you can crop images in the built-in Photos app, there are times when you don't want to import an image into your photo library. Maybe you just need to quickly edit a file on its own. That's where Preview comes in handy. To crop an image in Preview, start by opening the photo. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the part of the image you want to keep. Once you've made your selection, go to the top menu bar, click on Tools, and then select Crop. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command+K to do it even faster. Once you click Crop, the image is immediately trimmed down to your selection. If you save and close the file, the next time you open it, only the cropped portion will be visible. And that's how easy it is to crop a photo using Apple's Preview. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.